Hi everyone, it's Gardener Ellie here, and today I'm at Fletcher Maynard Academy, and today we're going to talk all about seeds. So I'm really excited to take a closer look at some seeds that we can find here in the garden, and let's go ahead and see what is actually seeding right now. So I'm looking at the ground here, and I see a lot of funny looking objects, and they're very round, and I wonder, do we think they're seeds? So let's take a closer look and see. So let's grab one of these. How about this one? And let's take a closer look at it. So if I pop this open, there is a really yellow, whoops, and I dropped it, a really yellow and round object inside. And now, do we think that this is a seed? And I wonder if we open it up, if maybe we can find out. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Here we go. Just gonna use my fingernail. Let's see. Ooh, it's really wet and squishy inside. Oh my, it's very wet. And if we look in there, I actually see a lot of little tiny hard objects. Do you see that? And I think these might be the seeds. And looking at this, it reminds me of a tomato or something like that. That's what it smells like right now. Kind of smells like a very sour tomato. And I wonder if you were all here, how you would describe how all of these little seeds and this fruit look. Over here, I have found some flowers that look like they have finished blooming. And I wonder if we can find any seeds here. So let's take a closer look. In one of the old flower heads, I found this. And it's really round. And it kind of reminds me of a teeny tiny onion. But I wonder how you all describe this. And it feels kind of squishy and kind of like there might be something inside. So let's go ahead and take a look in there, shall we? And look at that! Inside there are some teeny tiny dark seeds. And they feel really hard, and to me they look a little pruny and wrinkled. But I wonder what you all think what these seeds look like. How would you describe them? Let's see if this plant has any seeds. So let's look around the leaves and ooh, I spot something right back here. And I'm wondering, do we think this is the seed? What do you all think? And let's see if we can get it open and find out. So here it is, and let's take another close look at it. We can look at the top, and we can look at the side and the bottom, and do we think this is a seed? Let's see if I can break it open. And yeah, it's actually a little soft and kind of crunchy. And if we look inside, it actually looks quite hollow inside. And there's all these little white things that feel really hard. So I just broke this open even more. And can you see all of those little white seeds inside? So that's really interesting. And I wonder what you notice about these seeds. Do we see any seeds here? And where do you think it might be a good place to look for seeds? So now that we have taken a closer look at some other seeds, I'm starting to wonder if there are certain parts of the plant or certain places on the plant where we find seeds more often. So here are some brown flowers of our plant. And if we look inside, I see something kind of dark. And I wonder if you see that as well. So let's pop off one of these and take a closer look at it. And here is what I found inside. So all of these teeny tiny black seeds. And I wonder what you notice about them. And how are these seeds similar or different from some of those other seeds that we took a look at today? And I'm curious if you think all seeds look the same or not. We actually found a lot of seeds, and I wonder if you were surprised by how many different types of seeds that we saw today. I know that I was. It's always fun to take a closer look and find out all of those teeny tiny seeds that we don't normally take a look at. And I wonder if we save some of these seeds, if we can plant them next year in the spring. And I'm really excited to hear all of your thoughts and observations that you made today. And I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye, everyone.